how to use new widgets feature in Windows 11 taskbar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You'll find your widgets on the very bottom left of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will open up the widgets page. Now you can see here already some of the widgets here, and then you can see the pin option if you want to pin the widget, and you can see three dots. If you tap on it, you can see that you can change the widgets to small, medium, and large. You can customize it according to your wish. You can just tap on customize widget, and then you can just remove it, or you can put it as your primary location. You can do anything according to your wish. And then if you want to add more widgets, you can go to the plus icon, and then you can select from various categories here, and then just tap on pin to put it on your widgets. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.